Welcome back to another interesting video from the stable of Wendy Styles. Alright, so today's collections is actually about different beautiful African girls trying to do it the DIY way. Yes, as you can watch here, right here, she's trying to I guess what she's trying to do here is a finger wave, and let's see the result of it. Let's see. All right, she wrapped it around, dried it, and combing it, and then applying oil, and then she's using a coiler. Okay, it started like a finger wave, but then it's not a finger wave. I think this is a tour. This is a tour, and she looks absolutely stunning. Alright, yes, another one. Okay, if you know you can do it yourself, then go to the salon like this lady just did, and look at that. That's a pixie cut over there. Alright, she did a big chop from a long hair to a short hairstyle. These are beautiful style collections, if you ask me. And this is another one, a young beautiful lady trying to make sure she's got all the tools she needed. See, she bought a mirror, a 3-side view mirror, to help her see the left, the right, the back view, and the front view. Hola, she's done. And she did everything all by herself. She's cute. Yes, another one. Alright, let's see. Okay, what she's trying to do here, I think she's using the most, and hola. Different ways to style your short hair. The choices are actually yours. Okay. Alright guys, so you know that you've been pumping out posts back to back, all with the intent of helping you to know how to style your short hair or embrace short hair. Short hair is the bomb. That's the language we always use here. If this is your first time discovering this channel, try your best to click on the subscribe button, turn on the little bell notification, so that every time we make a new upload, you will be notified. So many styles to sample, so many styles to have them store up in your phone, so that anytime you want to go for hair appointment, you could easily pick a style. Show these styles to your stylist and see what happens. A lot of you keep on asking, where can I get this haircut done? I've said it before, and I'm going to say it again. The two wizards, the two guys that are especially that are magical, in my opinion, with styling of short hair are Crew Cut and Step the Barber. These two guys are in US. Alright, for Step the Barber, I think Houston, Texas is where you can find him. Houston, Texas, you can find Step the Barber there. For Crew Cut, you just need to head on straight to Brooklyn. You're going to be able to book an appointment. Check out Crew Cut on Instagram, so that you can actually book a telephone conversation, an appointment with him. Alright, more styles are coming your way. We're going to leave it here. Okay? Keep it locked to this channel, because more style inspiration will be coming your way. Alright, thank you guys for being here. See you in our next time.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, Drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more. Drop it at my feet. Oh, oh. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. Oh, 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 oh. Bring it on to my feet. Nothing is so hard for me to do again. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, oh, bring it on. Ayana. What? Usukariari eleno uka. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. I saw you cry at night when no one was watching. Anna. I saw your tears when no one was watching. I will wipe your tears. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh no, no, oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba.
SublimeGospel.com.
I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Ayadana mono kosheta labrango shatanaba. Oh yeah, 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 yo. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through. Drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more. Drop it at my